Hello everyone. In last video we have finished for display in a dynamic table on a card page. And this video we will style for this table by using CSS. Let's start by opening up a text editor and we go to car.php file. At the shopping cart container class, we need to copy this and move it to style.css file. Down here at the car number selection, you need to give this a doc sign and paid up curly brackets. Inside the curly bracket we need to add a background property and give this a white color. Let's save the file and go to web browser. We load the page. You see, it has changed to white color for background. And another property that we need to add is a border property. We come back to style.css file and give this a border property. O.O1 pixel and solid RGBA color. In this case, I show a gray color. This style O and give this opacity value O.5 pixel and pattern property I make it 15 pixel. Let's save the file and below the page once again. This is about the color here, change to a gray color. Let's take a closer look at it here. Yeah, this is outlooks a pixel. Let's save the file once again and below the page. Yes, change. Another thing that we need to do is to style for the image. We go back to style.css file and down here we give this shopping cart container and table image. Inside the image we a width property. This is going to be 80 pixel and height property. This is going to be 60 pixel and a pattern. This O for the top and 5 pixel for right. And so O for the bottom and 10 pixel for left. Let's save the file and go to web browser below the page. You see, it's change and smaller. Another thing that we need to do is to style for update card button, continue shopping and checkout button. We come back to style.css file and down here we give this a doc size shopping car underscore container and input type equal submit. And inside you say input type equal submit. We go back to a car. Because I do that because this is a size equal submit here. We come back here and a background property and RGBA color. We go to a web browser and open new text. On location bar, let's type CSS color picker and you can choose any your favorite color that you want. And this case I choose RGBA color. And copy this RGBA color and come back here and inside the parameter should be filled here and give this opacity value. This is going to be 1 and save the file. We come to eCommerce website and below the page you say have changed to RGB color with a color blue color. Another property that we need to create, this is going to be color white and a pattern. I make it this 5 pixel and 10 pixel. In examination, I do that because it means 5 pixel for the top and bottom, and this is 10 pixel for the right and left. Let's set the file and below the page you see it has changed. And another thing that we need to do is to give this a border. We come back and add a border property. This is O.O 1 pixel solid and RGBA color. And also let's copy that and paste that here. Let's save the file and check out your site. Below the page you see headshot. This is border to also RGB color. we come back and add more CSS for the car page. We just need to copy this CSS and paste that here. Give this a hardware and a background color. We also copy this and paste that here. In this case, I will change this opacity to .7 values. This is I give this a hardware because I would like to change the color to another color when a user mouse over the button and save the file. Reload the page. You say has changed when I mouse over them. I change it to 9 and check out again. You see. And another thing that we need to do is to style for the checkout button. We come back to a style.css file and we let's go ahead and put dot shopping cart container and give this a button search. Let's say the file and check out in web browser below page. You see, and also change to RGB color. And another thing that we need to do is to change this checkout text to white color. We do that by go back to car.php file and go to button checkout. Let's select of these button and color and say where it's from the setup file, and we go to style.css file. And now here we need to add another section. This is going to be a shopping cart container button and correct it. And inside of correct it, we play that and change color to white. I'm sorry, I forgot to put A. See A. Let's set up file and we load page once again. Let me see. Let's change to white color for text. Let's add more section for shopping cart button. Just need to copy this section and we go to at here. We'll put a doc size and fill up and give this a hardware. Let's say the file once again and below paste. You see has changed when I mouse over them. Let's say look at those this. We'll change this to A and try again. Let's see. Now I think that we need to do issue style for shopping cart ID here, and we come back to style.css file. Down here we are another section shopping cart and give this the background color RGBA. We come back to web browser and under the CSS color picker page, we just need to change your favorite color, and this case I choose this color and just need to copy this value and come back here inside premises via payload and give this opacity value, give this 1 and save the file and check out once again. Below page you see has changed to green color. Okay, we have finished for styling the table on the card page. I will stop right here. Thanks for watching and see you next video.